This is my local area network. Okay, and here is DHCP option are available where the DHCP setting, and you can say this is the enable, and here you can see the IP address is given here. It is the starting IP address and the end IP address. If I want to change, I can change the IP address, and also I can put the IP address here. This is the lease time, how much line you can provide, the lease time or whatever you can provide in between the 1 to 2880 minutes. Default gateway, here it is the default gateway. DNS and DNS, these are the optional. If you want to provide the DNS 8.8.8.8, and if you want to secondary DNS 8.8.8.4.4, these are the DNS server which is actually available or provided by this. So you can just save it. Now if you want to check the client list, because it is called stateful, so the one is IP address provided to you, this, and this is the MAC address, assigning IP address, and the lease time again and again. And if I want to reserve DHCP server reservation, so I can provide here the MAC address and the reserve IP address, then save. So what happened, it will be reserve the IP address. This is the basic configuration which you can do in a TP-Link router. Similar DHCP server configured for the Windows, Linux, there is a separate operating system can be configured.